Once again, welcome to our YouTube channel, Faith the Organizer. Guys, if you are a returning subscriber, you're most welcome. And if you're a new subscriber, or probably you've hit this video to watch and you want to be, consuming our content, please, karibu sana, feel much welcome. In this our world of being organized. As you can see, I am here with so many things. Today I want to take you through some of the items that you can use to organize your jewelry, because these are very small things that sometimes they get lost and we don't know where to put them. So I'm going to be taking you through that exercise for today. I'm also going to be showing you how you can use them effectively, and probably maybe what other uses you can use them for. So if you're new here, my name is Faith Kaimba and I take you through organizing videos. So guys, I don't know which one to start with. Let me start with these two items over here. They are almost similar items. These ones we call them 360 because they turn around like that. Like that. So you can be able to, for this one you can be able to see what is inside even before you open. For this one it's the same thing, same thing, but you cannot see what is inside unless you open. So like this particular one, you can decide to do like your rings on one, maybe do your earrings on the other, do your earrings on this other one, the other earring I think is here. You can decide to put your chains on the other one. Maybe if the chains are more, you can use even two. So if you need, you close one to be able to access the others. Okay, like that. Now the same thing for these others. You can put your chains on one. You can put your rings on the other. We had so many rings. You can put your earrings on another one, like that. Maybe your pendants and anything, maybe smaller earrings can go into another one, like that. And the beauty about this one is that you can see what is inside even before. You don't really have to open it. And to my next item is this one. So the difference is that this one, it can take both, and it's like you're displaying them. So like your earrings, you can pin them here. You just put them here like that, and then put the stopper behind, because you can see my nails. You will put the stopper behind there. This one doesn't have a stopper. And then it can still the same item. You can decide on one side to put your chains. Guys, this one can hold your chains. And you can, if you need to pack, you can just put them up, or you just let them flow like that. The other beauty is that you can, you can do that. You can do your ear dots over here. You can just do so much with this one. I think the only thing that you can put here is rings. But also for this particular one, there's a mirror, so you can also use it like if you're traveling. You can just put everything together and close it up like this, like that, and you can use this as your mirror, like that, and you can keep it. Once you're done, you can push it to where you are. If you need to use, you just open it up. Yeah, let me show you with another chain. So you can put one side to be for chains and the other two maybe to be for earrings, depending on what you have more. Look at that. Yeah, even the long earrings can fit. You know, we are looking also more on functionality. Unaona iko na hiyo ya the one for the long part, which it will not be hard for you to remove. Look, yeah, and you can use this one maybe for the other items, guys. It's functional. You know, that's our motto. Functionality always takes us away, you know. And if you're traveling again, yeah, like that. I'm also going to take you through this item. This one is like, can be used as a brush holder for your makeup brushes. And the beauty about this item is that you can even put your pens. It can organize your pens in the office or in your study table. It can also organize, you can even put it in the kitchen to just put some items that can stand. It's multi-purpose, but it's mainly for brushes, like for your makeup brushes. You can separate them, big ones, you know, shorter ones, small ones. Even for those in the nail industry, you use those small things, the nippers, the clippers, the what, those kind of items. They can also be organized in this unit. You can even use you can place maybe your spray bottle here, maybe for the spirit, and maybe use this for your cotton wool, and maybe this for you can put your foil paper for those in the nail industry. It's multi-purpose. You just use it for whatever need that you need it for. So if you get it, you can always use it for so many other items. I want to take you through this small thing. This one, you can mount it. There's tape here. You can mount it. It's better mounted, and all you need to do, assuming this is the wall, so you mount it here. Assuming this is the wall, so you mount it there, and when you need to reach, you open here. It's ideal more for like cotton pads. Yeah, let me show you. Like cotton pads in the bathroom, yeah, or even somebody who is in the nail industry, they can put their nippers and other small stuff over there. Cotton wool, you know, those small things that you never always have spaces for them. And the beauty about it is that you can close it, yeah, like that. You can also use it if maybe at the sitting room area, you can use it for toothpicks, but those toothpicks that have a cover on them. But now this one, you will not close it. You can actually, yeah, but it's not very ideal because opening it is hard. But you can use it for the toothpicks, the ones that have been wrapped, yeah. You can fill them up there like that. So it's a unique piece. You just need to think about what you want to put, and you know, these small pieces are always ideal for your houses, for each and every space. Huwezi kosa kutumia, you will definitely have to use it, but always get a need for what you need to buy, yeah, so that at least you know why you're buying it. Now, the other pieces I'm going to be showing you are not jewelry really, but watches are. We have a watch organizer. So the watch organizer, yeah, it organizes your watches nicely, and you can put them like that or like this. This is a better way of doing it, like that, so that you from this side you're able to see the watch that you have organized. And most watches should close, especially kama ni mkono yako, and if still they can't close, there's no harm in just leaving it hanging other than spoiling the watch. These are watches for display. Most of them are spoiled watches. They're just for display. Yeah, like that. That is why we had put them the other way. But at least they tell you exactly. If it can't fit, you can do it like that. Yeah. Yes. So we have a 6-slot watch organizer. These are almost over, but we'll be restocking. And we have a 12. This is a 12-slot watch organizer. So for the same purpose, yeah, if you have more watches, if you're sharing maybe like with your spouse, you can take a bigger one. If you don't have many, you can take a 6-slot. And guys, even your big bangles can fit in this. Those big bangles that you don't have spaces for them can fit in this watch organizer. So you don't really have to stick to watches. And our last item, guys, is this amazing shades or glasses organizer. Kama wewe ni mtu wa glasses. And you know what I always say, in your dresser, there are things you don't miss. That is jewelry, watches, bangles, and jewelry I'm talking about, earrings and chains, and also the shades. Some people are a fan of shades. Come when you to a fan of shades, these are how many slots? These are 8. And one can also share, can also take, depending on how big they are, it can share. If you're a person who has glasses, maybe you have different frames, you can still use this item. It's amazing. It's an amazing item. Yeah? Easy to make up and zile za movie. So msijali, but at least you understand what it is used for. So this amazing piece is in our shop also, because we want to organize your lives, guys. That's why we have these organizers. So if you didn't know whether Faith the organizer is also a stockist of containers and organizers, now you know. We are the container shop in Kenya. Kindly visit our shop, our online shop, in the description below. We are going to put our shop there. You can visit us. We have a physical location. We're also going to put the location down there. Kindly check it out, because you never know what you're going to find. This is just a drop in the ocean of what we stock. Behind me, as you can see, is the shop, and it has all across containers. Think about container, think about Faith the organizer. So welcome here and see what we have. If you have the ideas of what we don't have, we'll keep on showing you some of the things that we stock in different categories. So keep it right here and keep watching our videos, consuming our content. We are happy when we see the views. So please, if you've liked this video, give a thumbs up and share to your friends and colleagues. We are glad and happy to serve you. Until next time, get organized simply. Bye.